Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a template and use it to send a document out for e-signing with the BoldSign API in Postman. If you're new to BoldSign API, please check out our video on getting started with the BoldSign API. The link to that video will be in this video's description. For this tutorial, I will use a non-disclosure agreement form to create a template. So let's dive in. I start by opening Postman and navigating to the template folder to select the template create request. I ensure that the API-based URL is set correctly. Then, I go to the body tab and create the JSON data. First, I add the NDA document, which I'd shown earlier, as a base 64 encoded URL in the file field. I then set the document title and add the template title and description. Next, create a role for the receiving party by specifying the role name, index, and signing order, and setting the signer type to signer. Next, I add the signature form field by specifying the ID and field type. I set the page number to 1. Knowing the position of the signer field in the UI, I adjust the bounds accordingly and set the isRequired field to true to make it mandatory. I ensure the API key is set for authentication and send the request. The response will include a template ID. To view the created template in the UI, I open the BoldSign web app and navigate to My Template under the Template section. The newly created template will be displayed here. I click the Edit Template option from the menu, then click the Next button. The signature field will appear at the specified position in the document. Next, I will show you how to use this template to send a document for e-signing. I go to Postman, copy the template ID, and select the template Send Request. Next, I choose the BoldSign API environment. I then click the Environment Quick Look icon and set the template ID value. In the request body, I update the signer's name and email address fields within the roles and remove other fields. I ensure the API key is set for authentication and send the request. The response will include a document ID. Now the signature request is sent to the signer. You can also check the document status from the Document Properties API by setting the document ID value in the environment and sending the request. The response will return with the document properties, where you can check the document status. Here, the document is in progress and waiting for the signer to sign it. And that's how you create templates and use them to send documents for e-signing using the BoldSign API. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API videos.